Resist the clips.
Rolling with the punches, starring Copper. Hi, welcome to the next episode of Bartending with Blake, with me, Blake. And today is Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna surprise Jana with a flaming raspberry chocolate martini. She loves to be woken up with things that are on fire and with alcohol. Got some coffee liqueur, some approved rum, some chocolate liqueur, and some vodka, and also some raspberry liqueur. Mixing glass, martini glass, raspberries. Alright, let's get started. First, we are gonna mix all the ingredients into a mixing glass, except for the high proof rum, vodka, 1.5 ounce. The fuck. Chocolate, 1 ounce. Raspberry, 1 ounce. Oh, and that's the last of it. Coffee liqueur, 1/2 ounce. Normally, I would shake this cocktail, but since I don't want to wake her up, we're gonna stir it. Fuck. That's probably good. Yeah. We stir twice as long as we shake. That's probably good. Now, we're gonna coat the glass with chocolate syrup. Now we're gonna strain the contents of our alcohol into said glass. All that chocolatey goodness, baby. Every drop. Oh, shh. Now we're gonna float the high proof rum on top so we can light it on fire. 151 rum. Handy dandy bar spoon. Keep the lighter ready. Alright, let's make some bartending magic happen. get drunk, I made you a very special Valentine's Day cocktail. You're not gonna drink it?
Mm, 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 mm.